Hello students, in this short video you are going to learn how to find out area bounded by a curve in the given limits. Like it is the concept related to applications of integrals class 12 standard, which we can find out in the part 2 textbook. So just I will give you a brief introduction about this concept and I will explain you the concept how to find out that kind of areas with the help of integrals. So please be attentive and please watch. So the concept is to find out area bounded by a curve y is equal to f of x. So this is a certain curve which represents y in terms of x, y is equal to f of x. We are going to find out area bounded by this curve between the limits x is equal to a and x is equal to b and x-axis and what? X-axis. So how to find out the area? You can find out the x-axis, x equal to a, x equal to b and y is equal to f of x. So how to find out this area? I need this area. To find out this area, we are having a method which is called vertical strips method. By taking a thinnest rectangle whose width is equal to dx and the height is 1. So that means it is nothing but adding all the areas from x equal to a. Either one more rectangle we take it. You get this, guys? From this rectangle to, I take one more rectangle over there, that is here. So that means this white color rectangle which I am moving from there to here like this. So the area of these are all rectangles from x equal to a to x equal to b, area bounded by, those are all. That means it is the summation of all y into dx, as the area of the rectangle is y into dx here. So from here to here, what all the rectangles will come, they may be infinite. Okay, so we have combined all the areas to find this area. So that means we have to integrate from x is equal to a to x is equal to b by dx will give you the required area. That means this one is nothing but area bounded by y is equal to f of x is equal to a, x is equal to b and x-axis. That means in this time, this y equal to f of x must be given. Y must be expressed in terms of x. Then you can able to find out the area of the region bounded. Similarly, if it is given in the terms of x in terms of y, x in terms of y, how will you find out the area? For example, it is given x is equal to f of 1, the limits are y equal to a, y equal to b and y-axis. And the first method is called vertical strips method. This method is there now. This is the vertical strips method. Because here we are given y in terms of x. Now this time x in terms of y will be given. How to find out the area bounded by the region limits? Look at this. See, there will be given a function x is equal to f of y. Its graph is like this means. So and then they are told us to find out the area between the limits y is equal to b and y is equal to a and y-axis. That means the area is required. They are asking this area. So this time I use the method which is horizontal strips. This area we have to find out. Say here the horizontal length is x and the vertical length is dy. So we have to find out x into dy to find out one rectangle. But this rectangle is moving from a to b. That means all areas, all rectangles from y equal to a to y equal to b must be added to get the required area. This is the area required. Y is equal to a to y is equal to b x dy. That is the area of the rectangle, area of the region bounded by the given curve. In this way, we will find out the required area. So also, so that means they will be given x is equal to f of y or y is equal to f of x. If they give a combined equation, you must either express y in terms of x or x in terms of y according to the limits what we get. Okay, for this we need certain knowledge related to the conic section, like standard equations of circle, parabola and ellipse. These three related concepts we should know. Those also I will be discussing. Please watch. What is the equation of the circle whose center at origin and the radius is r? This is x square plus y square is equal to r square is the equation of the circle whose center is at origin and the radius is r units. That is equation of the circle whose center is at origin and the radius is r units. This one we should know while learning the problem. And in this case we need to express y in terms of x, which is y is equal to plus or minus root over r square minus x square. So that after that we may go for integration according to the requirement. And then one more thing we should know, what is the equation of the parabola? There are two parabolas, y square is equal to 4ax, another one is x square is equal to 4ay in the standard form. Y square is equal to 4ax is a parabola which axis is x-axis. X square is equal to 4ay is a parabola in which the axis is y-axis, like this. This is x square is equal to 4ay and this one is y square is equal to 4ax. So these equations also I may use to find out the area. And one more thing we should know, what is equation of the ellipse, which is x squared by a squared plus y squared by b squared is equal to 1. It is the equation of the ellipse whose major axis length is a, the minor axis length is b. This concept also I may use where the center of the ellipse is at origin. Okay. So in order to find out the area bounded by circle, area bounded by ellipse and area bounded by a parabola with certain line, we have certain kind of questions. How to do those questions? We will discuss. These equations are very much useful while doing the problems related to applications of integrals in finding areas. Okay. Yes. Now let's start with the very simple problems in finding areas. Right? See, for example, a very simple question I am writing on the board. Look at this. So they are asking find area bounded by y is equal to x square, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and x-axis. Now this kind of simple questions, when the limits are given, guys, look at this. When the limits are given directly and y in terms of x is given directly, that time you are not required to draw the graph or draw the diagram or anything, unless otherwise they sketch the graph of this particular question. So that means here y is equal to x square is a graph. You know very well, that is like this. Y is equal to x square. And we should find out the area bounded by x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and x-axis. That means we need this area. In a simple manner, you can directly say that the area required is equal to integration 1 to 2 y dx. Because the limits are from 1 to 2, the y is multiplied by dx, y dx. So what is y? X square into 1. For this we should know integration of x square. What is integration of x square? X cubed by 3. So it is x cubed by 3. And then substitute the limits, you get 2 cubed by 3 minus 1 cubed by 3. This is equal to 8 minus 1, 7 by 3 square units. 7 by 3 square units. You may get a doubt that, sir, we get if a negative answer, what to do? When will you get negative answer? Like for example, instead of giving a question like this, like that, if they are given y is equal to minus x square, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and x-axis and x-axis. This time if you evaluate this one, surely you get the area. How much you get? The area is equal to minus 7 by 3 square meters. But it is not accepted. Negative area cannot be there. Area cannot be negative. This time what to do? How to do? Why this happened? I will show you. The reason behind this is y is equal to minus x square. Then this graph will be like this. And x equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. This area is negative. That means the area is below x-axis. That's why you got the negative area. In this case, you have to put modulus. The answer will be 7 by 3 units square. You have to put modulus because the area went below the x-axis. That's why you got the negative. So, but area cannot be negative. So, change the sign by putting the modulus. So, if they ask you to sketch the graph, you sketch the graph and show it like this. If they don't ask to sketch the graph, that time you may get without doing the graph, without drawing the diagram, you may get the answer negative. That time you check your process once again, everything is correct or not. If everything is correct, the answer got negative, means you put modulus from starting all the steps. Then the answer will be correct. So, these are the simple questions which you may get as a 2-mark questions. So, and also you may be asked to find out the area bounded by a curve, area bounded by a certain curve, like ellipse and circle. They have certain area, they are bounded by certain area. For example, how to find out area bounded by a curve? What is the area bounded by a curve? Like I am taking first one, x square plus y square is equal to 25. As discussed, it is equation of circle whose center at origin, and the radius is 5 units, as 25 can be written as 5 square. So, but limits are not given. Then how to take the limits? I will tell you. Look at this. This is the equation of the circle. This is the circle whose equation is here. The center is 0, 0 and the radius is 5 units. And I am going to find out this area. By taking x is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. But I have to express this one in y in terms of x so that I can easily find out that area by taking y is equal to root over 5 square minus x square. Y is equal to square root of 5 square minus x square. How we got it by taking like this? Okay, look at this. Y square is equal to 25 minus x square. Y is equal to square root of 25 minus x square, which is nothing but square root of 5 square minus x square. As I am taking above the x-axis, this curve, that's why I put plus. Otherwise, if you go below, I have to take negative. But I am doing only for the first quadrant area. So that whatever the area I get, I multiply it by 4. Since there are such parts, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants. So that means the area can be done like this. Therefore, the area is equal to 4 times integration of 0 to 5 root over 5 square minus x square into dx. This formula you get in exercise 7.7 integration chapters in the special integral. The formula is, you can write down this formula, very important formula. Root over a square minus x square into dx can be written as x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by u. This formula we use many times in this finding area of a circle and area bounded by ellipse. So, according to this formula, we have to write this. However, I will get this guys, which is 4 into x by 2 root over 5 square minus x square plus 5 square by 2 sine inverse x by 5. Then limits are 0 to 5. Substitute the limits. Upper limit first as the definite integration process you have to. X equal to, you have to substitute x is equal to 5 in this. Then minus x equal to 0 in this. After simplification you get the answer as 4 into 5 square by 4 into pi, something like this will come to 25 pi square in this. The simplification must be done manually. You can do the simplification. The answer will come like this. You want me to show the simplification? Let us see the simplification then. On this here I am writing, see this is equal to 4 into, first substitute x equal to 5, x equal to 5, substitute upper limit then 5 by 2 root over 5 square minus 5 square plus 5 square by 2 sin inverse x by 5, 5 by 5 minus 0. Next x is equal to 0, everywhere put x equal to 0 in these three places. So you get 0 by 2 root over 5 square minus 0 square plus 0 square by x square 5 square by 2 sin inverse 0 by 5. That's calculate. 4 is 5 by 2 into 0 plus 25 by 2 into pi by 2 becomes sin inverse 5 by 5. It is 1. Sin inverse 1 is 5 minus this will be 0 because 0 into everything 0, sin inverse 0 is 0 into 0. So this is 0, so it is 4 into 25 by 2 into 5 by 2. 2 2s are 4 cancel, 25 pi square units. So you know very well what is area of circle formula? Pi r square. R value is 5, pi into 5 square is 25. Same by using integration also we got the same answer. So that is area bounded by a circle. Area bounded by a circle we will find out. Similar way, if they ask whatever the question, area bounded by ellipse also you can do by using the same method. But for example, if they ask for area bounded by ellipse, x square by 25 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. It is an ellipse. 0 and 5. Major axis is pi square, so it is 5 at 5. 0 and 5 are the limits. Find out this area by expressing y as 4 by 5 root over 5 square minus x square. After simplification you get this one. Then area will be 4 times integration 4 by 5 root over 5 square minus x square into dx. Then evaluate it, you get the answer. Got it? Hope you understand how to find out the area bounded by a ellipse and a circle. So parallelly you will have to work out. You should practice. If you put pen on the paper and do working and put between if you don't understand, make some pauses between them and do work parallelly. Sincerely you work out, you will get this one. This chapter is the easiest chapter. Okay. So now I will discuss. Find the area bounded by y equal to x square and y equal to mod x, and there is one parabola and the line is given, one parabola and the modulus function is given. How to find out this area? Look at this. If you find out this area, we have to know the graph of this like this. Look at this. First of all, y equal to x square is a parabola whose axis on y axis, and y is equal to mod x is a modulus function in which it is looks like a V shape like this. So there it is y equal to minus plus x, and this is equal to y equal to minus x, and the parabola is y equal to x square. The area you can see, area bounded by these two you can see here. This is one area and this is one area. So these two areas are equal because this graph is symmetric about y axis. Both the sides it is same. So that means instead of finding this total area, we find out from 0 to this limit, whatever we get. Area bounded by the line. So the area bounded by the line is this triangle, and the area bounded by the parabola is this unshaded part. So from total triangle, the unshaded part should be removed. First of all, we should know what is the x value, this one. So look at this. Given that y is equal to x square, y is equal to mod x. So only on right side I am solving it. So for this kind of questions, the graph is compulsory. Sketching the diagram is compulsory. Okay, it is a 4-mark type model. So y equal to x square, y equal to mod x. So I am writing y is equal to x square is equal to x. So then x square minus x equal to 0. X into x minus 1 equal to 0. Either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. That is the limits are 0 and 1 after solving. Now look at this. area required is 2 times 0 to 1, 0 to 1. The line is mod x minus parabola x square into dx. From 0 to 1, the mod x is always 42, that's why I wrote x here. So instead of mod x, you can put x. So then it is 2 times 0 to 1 x minus x square into dx. So from here you know how to find out the definite integral, and you will have to calculate and you have to write 2 times it is x square by 2 minus x cubed by 3. The limits are 0 and 1. Substitute and you get the answer finally 2 into 1 by 6, which is 1 by 3 square units. Okay. Similarly, you can even do this problem by solving the value for x. After that, putting the values, then finding the area. Like this, look at this. The parabola is whose axis is y-axis, like this, and there is one more line is given, which is x is equal to 4y minus 2. Then y is x square is equal to 4y. We have to solve to find out the limits. This is our limit here. This is the limit. Then if I get these two limits, then area bounded by line minus area bounded by parabola, this area will come. This is the shape is not required. Okay? So first of all, limits finding. So what is given? X square equal to 4y. X is equal to 4y minus 2. But 4y is what? X square. Substitute x square minus 2. X square minus x minus 2 equal to solve 0. Then by using the factorization formula, you get x is equal to minus 1. That means this is minus 1. This is. Now it's very clear. Area required is equal to integration minus 1 to 2 bounded by the line minus bounded by the parabola. But what is line? What is parabola? So the parabola is x square equal to 4y. So y is equal to x square by 4. The line is x equal to 4y minus 2. So y is equal to x plus 2 by 4. Now substitute both of them here. It is integration minus 1 to 2. X square by 4 minus x plus 2 by 4 into dx. Solve for this to get the required area. These two are the models which are very important for the exam. You may see in the question paper as 4 marks like this model or similar models. So by finding the point of intersection, you get the limits. After that, by using the area formulas, area methods, you get the area. So here the limits will not be given between area between two curves. That means you should use the point of intersection concept to find out the limits. Then easily you will get. So for every problem, sketching the figure is important. If you sketch the figure, then you get a proper idea. You will be able to solve the problem. You can get the area. The more explanation, the more exercise questions we will do in the PDF manner I will send you, and I will explain you the same in the video, and I will touch in the next class. Thank you so much.